Hello, my name is Tanner, the owner of Vibrant Mobile Detail. If you have been in the market for a ceramic coating or you've been seeing ads for ceramic coatings, I want to make this video to just give you a clear rundown of what ceramic coatings are, what they aren't. There's a lot out there right now with ceramic coatings and a lot of gimmicky type stuff that people are saying or how they're selling it. So I just wanted to debunk some myths, give you what a ceramic coating is, show you what you can expect from a ceramic coating. So first, I want to debunk a myth. It's not just an overpriced wax. It's much different than a wax, and it's also not some magical fix for your vehicle. It's not going to prevent scratches or prevent rock chips from the front of your vehicle, but it is an advanced protection layer that will bond to your paint and provide really great benefits to protect against certain things. So when I am describing a ceramic coating, I break it down into three key benefits. The first key benefit is protection. So a ceramic coating is going to do a great job shielding your paint from things like hard water spots, bird droppings, sap, UV damage over time, bug guts hitting the front of the vehicle and etching into the paint. So it's going to form a very robust layer that's going to prevent these damages. Or, if you do get some hard water spots, they're going to be extremely easy to remove, whereas without a coating, they really work themselves into the clear coat, sometimes permanently damaging the clear coat. But keep a note that it does not protect against rock chips or deep scratches. It does give some micromarine resistance to scratches, but it is not some bulletproof coating. The second key benefit of ceramic coatings is cleanability. So ceramic coatings, it makes your paint extremely hydrophobic, and the other surfaces on your vehicle as well. It makes it extremely hydrophobic. So it's going to repel water and dirt like none other. And it's going to keep your vehicle cleaner a lot longer. And when you go to clean it, it's extremely easy and quick to clean up. I kind of describe it like this. When a vehicle is not ceramic coated, if you rinse it down, it's maybe going to get 10% of the debris off there. But if a vehicle is ceramic coated, if you rinse it down, you're going to get probably 90% of the dirt and debris just to fly off the vehicle because of how hydrophobic it is. Nothing wants to stick to it. It's actually crazy. Sometimes when it rains, it actually self-cleans itself, which is just mind-blowing. You think rain would get your vehicle dirty, but that water just takes all the dirt off with it, which is amazing. And then the third key benefit is gloss and shine. So, gloss and shine, it adds an incredible luster to your vehicle. So when you get a ceramic coating, when it's done, it just looks amazing. And the beauty of ceramic coatings is it does form that bond to your paint, whereas a wax just sits on top of your paint. A ceramic coating forms that long-lasting bond. So it enhances the color and clarity in the paint, and it gives you that showroom shine day in and day out. It's really an awesome benefit to it. So these are the three key benefits that I describe ceramic coatings in. Now, what product do we use here at Vibrant? We have tested multiple products like Expel, Ceramic Pro, and then Gtechniq. So we use the brand Gtechniq. They have a few different offerings as far as what levels of ceramic they offer. For painted vehicles, whether it's an RV that's fully painted or a car, we use a product called Crystal Serum Ultra. It has a 9-year warranty backed by the manufacturer and also backed by us. It is a 10H hardness, so they measure ceramic coatings on a hardness level. It's 10H hardness. You're not going to find anything harder than that on the market. And then for gel coat surfaces like gel coat boats or gel coat RVs, we do have a different warranty or how long it lasts, and it's a totally different product. You can get 3 years out of a boat ceramic, and you can get 5 years out of a gel coat RV ceramic. But when you're ceramic coating the gel coat surface, you really want to do it in the very beginning when it's brand new, or just ongoingly polish the gel coat surfaces because that's going to get faded by the sun. But our ceramic coating is really superior performance, and we don't offer the different levels of ceramic. We offer the best and only the best because we've seen it perform just amazing compared to the lower tier ceramic coatings, and it really is relatively the same process. It's a little bit more expensive of a product for us to purchase, but it's the same type of process, and we just want to give you guys the best, so we only offer the best. So at Vibrant, you can expect top-notch service and results. We've been doing this a long time. And we really care about our customers. I'm really passionate about ceramic coatings, if you can't tell on this video. I've been in business 11 years at this moment. It's 2024. And I've been doing ceramics only about 4 years now. And in the beginning, I was a little skeptical. They've gotten a lot more popular since I started doing them. But ceramic coatings, I'm a full believer in ceramic coatings. I have customers that I've done 4 years ago now that their car is still looking amazing, still beating, the water's beating up amazingly. It's an awesome product. So we do offer our ceramics mobily, or you can visit our shop here. If we do get the ceramic done mobily, the elements have to be right. We'll probably set up a tent, and then it needs to pull into the garage. You need to have a garage for it to cure in for 18 to 24 hours, but the longer the better to let that ceramic coating cure. So to schedule, you can go to our website, vibrantmobiledetail.com, or you can give us a call. We can schedule over the phone. If you have some more questions, you can call or text us at any time. And yeah, I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it cleared up some of the things that you might be seeing on the internet, trying to sell you on a ceramic. And last thing, don't ever buy a dealership ceramic coating. Those are complete nonsense. So if you're buying a vehicle from a dealership, they're these polymer protectants that they'll put on. It takes them 20 minutes to put on. It lasts a few months. It's actually, they're selling you a insurance policy rather than actual true protection. Similar to when you get a State Farm or Allstate policy. When you get in a crash, they'll fix your vehicle or pay out on the total loss. With these ceramic protections they give you at the dealership, when something happens to the vehicle, that's what they're protecting against. They're not putting true protection on your vehicle. So with all that being said, thank you for watching this video. And remember, at Vibrant Mobile Detail, we bring the clean to you.